So you've invested in a mini rack ultraviolet disinfection system to keep the water safe for your family at your home, cottage, or cabin. Great choice. Now after a year, it's time to do some maintenance on that system. You need to replace the lamp, you need to replace the filters, and you may even need to replace the sleeve. Where are you going to find those? Well, I'm going to show you the easy way how to get all those and save money in the process right now. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. So take this Hume Safe Water 10 ultraviolet disinfection system. This is a whole house system. Well, it has 2 filters, a UV lamp, and a sleeve. So to find all those may be a little bit intimidating searching around through one of our websites or something like that. So the first place you would go is over here. So you can see there's the model number and the make. It's actually made by UV Dynamics. So that's going to help you searching. But like I say, you need 4 things. You need 2 filters, you need a lamp, you need a sleeve. And so to go to the website and search out each one of those things is a bit of a pain, that's for sure. So what we've done, we've made it easy for you. We've created bundles. What's a bundle? Well, basically, when you go to the website, you order all 4 of these together in a unit. That's a bundle. Makes it much easier for you. So to find the replacement bundle that you need for your ultraviolet disinfection system, your mini rack system, first of all, you need to know the make of the system, and most of them is pretty clear. This one over here you can see is a Viqua. This one over here is Hume Water Care Safe Water 10, or you can go under the UV Dynamics name, and then you just go to our website. Just go to waterestore.ca in Canada or waterestore.com in the US. You can always switch back and forth between the Canadian and the US site at the top here. But let's say you're in Canada and let's say you're looking for the bundle for that Safe Water 10. So you can just type in here under the search box. You can just type in bundles and you can see all the bundles come up. You can press see all results and then you can kind of search through for your system. So the Hume Safe Water 10 lamp, sleeve, and filters bundle is right here. If you click on that, it'll take you right into the listing. And in the listing, you'll see a list of what comes in that bundle, but you also see an image of the system that it fits. So you can just confirm to make sure, yep, that's my system. And this is what I'm looking for. And if you click here, under how to maintain, you'll actually see a video that shows you how to do the work. Super easy. Again, it's one of my YouTube videos, and you can check that out. So different systems have their model number and their make numbers or make information in different places. Almost everyone says what make they are, but so if we look at the Viqua systems over here, if you look on the side here, it'll tell you what model number it is. So this one's a VH200-F10. So again, if that's the system you're looking for, go into that bundle. If you've got one of these smaller systems, smaller Viqua systems, again, the model information is over here. So again, it's easy to find and it's easy to look up. If all else fails, you're still confused, no problem. Just email us a picture of your system and I can help identify it for you and I can email you the link. So where do you find these great bundles? Just go to our websites, waterestore.com in the United States or waterestore.ca in Canada. And click over here for more UV ultraviolet disinfection maintenance videos, and I'll see you there.